it is me, Zeva, the dog, as the YouTuber for DJ Golden Foxy, and I am just gonna steal. And today we're gonna be playing the Wii U, and just give me a second while I go steal it from my owner. Please, give me a second. Tony, are you dead? Really? Stop!
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, as I said, give me a minute. Excuse me, but I need that. I am Zeva the dog as the YouTuber for your channel right now. So can I borrow the Wii U for a minute?
No. I said bye.
You better give it to me right now, or I'll embarrass you. And I'll tell everyone on YouTube your real name.
What?
Your real name? I'll tell them your real name.
You don't know my real name. My name is Lily.
Her name is Taylor.
So, everyone knows my name.
And I'll tell them who you have a crush on.
No.
They're giving away you.
No.
Alright guys, tell it. Let me just see them. Let me just let it. Okay guys, I managed to steal it. And let's see.
Hold on.
Why am I playing this stupid, dumb Christmas trash?
No.
I wanna play regular. You know what? That's it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like my video. Make sure to check out Zeva the dog, and don't forget to subscribe to DJ Golden Foxy. And I'll see you all guys later. I'm licking the camera.